to be in the kitchen. Anyway, you know what, Ben? I cook some meatballs and you know what I mean. I said to myself, what should I do with this? You know what I mean? Cause I cook too much. So I said to myself, you know what? I'm gonna show the fans them how you can make yourself a nice, lovely meatball sandwich and bring it to work for lunch. Save money. You know what I mean? You got other else things where you can, you know what I mean, buy. So this is another way how you can save money and, you know what I mean, make extra food and bring it to work and all these things. So I want to subscribe to the channel, leave your comments below. Thank you so much for watching the show. And this one is Chef Ricardo meatball sandwich. It is fantastic. It is amazing. All you have to do is cook down your meatball as regular, slice them up, get some tomato and cucumber. Fantastic. Come on, lovely, taste and nice. So remember one thing, subscribe is very important. Like and share. 500 likes, 500 comments. We will be happy, me and the fans them, and you know what I mean, the team who working so hard. So thank you so much, guys. One love from Chef Ricardo on the team. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Chef Ricardo in the kitchen with you again one more time. See you next time. Bye bye. Welcome back into the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. You know what happened? I cooked some meatball and I have a few meatball left back, and I say I must do something with this today for the fans them. So I'm gonna make you a sandwich, meatball sandwich. Alright? So first thing what we're going to do, I'm just gonna make it very easy and simple, nothing too complicated. Alright, I got 2 slices of bread right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna pop a little bit of salad cream, and just simply spread it on the bread. Really nice. Lovely. So then next what we're going to do, little bit complicated, but that's fine, we can work around things. I got some salad, we're gonna put some salad. Before we put the salad, let's get some tomato. I'm gonna slice some tomato. Lovely. So we're gonna put some tomato like this. Alright. Meatball sandwich, mad recipe. Cucumber. Another first. Before we put this, let's take that this back this first. Let's put cucumber first. Alright? Lovely. So we're gonna put some cucumber down first. Then tomato. Alright. Get your mixed leaf. I'm using some sweet jam lettuce, as you can see. Nice one. Sweet jam lettuce, really nice. After you do that, as I said, I got some meatball left and I said, man, what should I do with this meatball? And I said, I'm gonna just make something for the fans then. So this is the meatball. So all I need to do is get your meatball and simple slice it. No thick slices, very thin. If you're a person who loves cold meat. Alright, now we're gonna put them on top of it like this. A lot of people doesn't like corned meat, but I eat corned meat all the while, so I'm pretty good with this. Nice one. So all I need to do now, let's remove these gloves. All you're gonna need to do, just simple pop a little bit more salad cream on top of it. As you can see, exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about. Meatball sandwich. I want you guys to love this one. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now what you're gonna do, simple. Cut it into half, into quarters. Like this. I just want you guys to see exactly what I'm doing now, because this recipe is not a normal recipe like what Chef Ricardo normally do. You know? So basically what I'm saying, if you got things at your house left and you want to use them up, this is where it come in really handy. Meatball sandwich. Alright? So I'm gonna want to just say, okay, Chef Ricardo, I know you're a big chef and you're this and that, but you know, look what I'm doing at the moment. I want you guys to see exactly what is taking place right here. Meatball sandwich. You can make this and bring it to work and share it with your fans. And meatball sandwich. Just look at that, guys. Look at this sandwich. So easy and simple. You don't need to chuck these in the bin because you got a lot of money, and you know what I mean, you can buy more meat. No, don't waste the food. This is what you can make and bring it to work the next morning for lunch. Alright guys, so this is the idea where Chef Ricardo been sharing with the fans them. As I said, meatball sandwich. You can have this, you know what I mean, and it's just fantastic, amazing recipe. So subscribe to the channel and please leave your comments below. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe coming your way. 500 likes, 500 comments, I'll be really happy. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere. One love from Chef Ricardo and the team. Thank you so much.